Okay, I was presented with this planter. It's old style. It was broke. You can kind of see where it was cracked and broke. I just got through gluing it. I see where the glue's oozed out right there. Took me a little bit of time to get it all positioned exactly like I wanted to, or how it broke, not how I wanted to get it level. Put it on there, moved it about 2 or 3 times, sitting pretty good. I used, well, where'd it go? There it goes. That's what I used to glue it. I already got it set where I want to, so it won't be moved. I'm trying to make it mine. It's pretty planter, what vase, whatever you want to call it. It's old and deteriorated. But let's see what happens, guys. Kind of excited.